Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for another designer shoutout. So let's get cracking. Friends, our first design comes from 6th grader Ruby. Let's paste this in and see what she created. Alright friends, so this was a spaceship project. Let's spin it around and see what Ruby created. Oh my gosh. She has got the spaceship and she used this back wall and the little star to make it look like there are stars all through the background. Let's do Control H to hide her bubble. Inside here, she's got hashtag girl boss. She has got the amazing turtle, and check this out. She actually put stuff on the back of the turtle so it looked like a turtle shell. That is awesome. If we look right there, it has got the hashtag girl boss as well. She has got controls, and check out this little guy. If we hit F, that is awesome. Little spiky claws and everything. Ruby, that is fantastic. Let's check out the bottom. It has, it mentions that the capybara and turtle were created by Cartier, who is another student in my class. So we actually had 2 students working together to create this awesome spaceship. That is so fantastic, and thank you both for taking time to share. Friends, our second design comes all the way from Canada. Let me paste this link in. This design is created by Walker. He lives out on the east side of Canada, and he shared this through my website. Walker, this is so cool. As you can see, I created little notes here so I could tell him what I thought of his design, and then he shot me notes back so that I could prepare this shout out for you. Friends, he spent about a day building this awesome rocket. It uses all kinds of cool basic shapes. And Walker, I just want to let you know I appreciate you watching the channel, and your design is epic. Friends, our final design is from my classroom again. This is 6th grader Dani. She created this on her own and she shared it with me on Friday. This is her version of Blanky, and he comes with notes. Check it out. I need a coat, and it is so cold. Such a cool idea with a scarf and stocking cap. That is awesome stuff, and these are the code blocks eyes I had the students create when I first met them. Great work, Dani, and thank you so much for sharing. Friends, I do want to remind you I'm trying to get all 50 states shared with me. I want you guys to see how cool the sharing process is in Tinkercad, and I think it'd be awesome to get participation from all 50 states. Friends, if you've got somebody you know in one of these states that is not represented yet, please share it with them. Tell them it takes 2 minutes to make the project come together. I will have a link up above that explains how you can share your state with me. If your state's already here, you may still share it. As you can see, when I get 2 submissions, I'll just put an extra star in that state so we can keep track of which state has the most submissions. Friends, when you do share, it is this simple. Click on this little button right here, generate a link, copy the link, and then you can reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. Friends, if those options don't work for you, don't forget I also have the HLModTech.com website. It has a page dedicated to Tinkercad, and then also at the bottom, it has this sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click on this button, fill it out, ask me your questions, or send me your share links almost instantly. Friends, at the top of my website, you can also simply click on the Tinkercad 50 States project if you want to participate. All you have to do is copy, tinker, change it to your state, and once again, shoot me that share code so you can be added to the project. Friends, I want to give a quick shout out to Tinkercad user Ben Jarman. He has been asking me all kinds of awesome questions, and it's been great to see his skills grow as a tinkerer. Finally, friends, I've got to say thanks again to the designers Ruby, Cartier, Dani, and Walker. Totally appreciate your submissions, and keep up the good work. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.